Hello knitters, Barbara Benson here. I'm an independent knitwear designer who also likes to make videos here on my YouTube channel, Watch Barbara Knit. If you'd like to know more about my knitwear designs, please check in the description below. There you will find a link to my Ravelry page where you will see the patterns I have available for you to buy and knit up yourself. I have a 5-min knit video for you today, and it is on left-leaning decreases. This is a subject that seems to pop up quite frequently that sometimes has a little bit of misinformation. Now, we're talking about single decreases. You're only taking out one stitch. I am going to go through 4 different styles. Really, it's 3 different styles and 1 variation on it. And what a lot of it comes from is people saying that knit 2 together through the back loop and slip slip knit are the same thing. They're not. So if you've ever wondered about slip slip knit versus SKP versus knit 2 together through the back loop, here's the video for you. The first left leaning decrease I'm going to show you is SKP, which stands for slip knit pass. I'm going to do a yarn over to start with because every decrease needs its increase. When the first thing you do is slip this first stitch. Slip it knitwise, which means to insert your needle as if you're going to knit it and slip it off that left-hand needle and onto your right-hand needle. What you've done here, you can see, is reorient your stitch so it's mounted reverse. That is because of what we're going to do next. Next, we're going to knit the next stitch. As you can see, we still have 2 stitches, so we still haven't finished our decrease. So then you insert your left-hand needle under this leg and pick it up and over and off. And there you go. That is a left-leaning decrease. As you can see, it's leaning to the left, and we've decreased 1. So that was SKP, slip, knit, pass. Next, we're going to do the more common but slightly newer slip, slip, knit. Now, the way I'm going to show you first is the way that I like to do it, which is insert your needle as if to knit and slip. So you slip 1 knitwise. And then you insert your needle as if to knit and slip the second one knitwise. You've reoriented both stitches. Now we want to knit them together through the back loop. Take your left-hand needle, insert it through the front legs, and see, now it's mounted exactly right, ready for you to knit through the back loop. Wrap your yarn, knit through the back loop. Now, some people like to do a variant on slip, slip, knit, which is slip 1 as if to knit, and then slip the second one as if to purl. And now you'll see one has been twisted, changed the mount, the other one we didn't. Then we're going to again knit them together through the back loop. And what you will see is this first stitch is coming over, but if you look there, the second twist is twisted because we didn't remount it. Now the fourth one, I'm on 4, is people say knit 2 just simply knitting 2 together through the back loop. So we're going to knit those 2 together through the back loop. And it does indeed create a left-leaning decrease, but you will note that since we did not reorient the stitches, both of these stitches are twisted. See that? The top one is twisted. You can very distinctly see that, and the bottom one is twisted. So all 4 of these are left-leaning decreases. The first and the second one, SKP and SSK, are identical. They just are executed differently. The second stitch is coming straight up underneath, and your pass stitch goes over, and then slip, slip, knit comes up underneath, pass over. If you slip 1 knitwise, then slip 1 purlwise in your slip, slip, knit, you get a slight difference, and you can see that bottom stitch is twisted. Some people like the way it lays better. It still has a flat top one, so it's nice. And this last one, simply knitting 2 together through the back loop, you can see both of these stitches are distinctly twisted. So they are not all the same. All are viable. All make a left-leaning decrease, and you can use them as you like in your knitting. But if anyone tells you that knit 2 together through the back loop is the same thing as slip, slip, knit, they are mistaken. I hope that sheds some light on left-leaning decreases for you. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment in the comments below or come over to the Watch Barbara Knits Facebook and ask any questions that you have. If you like this video, please give it the thumbs up, click that like button. If you'd like to be notified whenever I upload a new video, please subscribe to the channel and select notifications. Thank you so much.